Let's learn to play our F sharp minor chord. Now, an F sharp minor is simply an E minor, up, 1, 2, and bar. Now, there is no shortcut for this. This is where we really need to learn how to play bar chords. And so we're going to have our first finger covering the entire second fret. And if you want, you can take your second finger and pull it over top and add extra pressure with your second finger. And then nothing on the third fret, but on the fourth fret, on the fifth and the fourth strings, your third and your fourth finger. So 3 and 4 on 5 and 4. Let's play that. Good job. Now, to play our G sharp minor, we're just going to take this and move it up 2 more. 1, 2, and there's our G sharp minor. So with our E minor shape, we can do E minor, F minor, F sharp minor, G minor, G sharp minor, A minor, A sharp minor, B minor. And then we can go back to our B minor shape, B minor, C minor, C sharp minor, D minor, D sharp minor. And with those two shapes and knowing our fretboard, we can play any minor chord that we want.